Hey guys, this is Mansi and you're watching Supervising Reloaded. So today I am here to solve a big issue, which is how to apply a perfect winged eyeliner. Yes, you heard it right. This is possible. Today I will be sharing few tips and tricks which can help you to master this art of applying a perfect winged eyeliner. So without much ado, let's get into the video. Here I am using a sketch pen liner, and later I will be showing you how to apply a liquid liner with a brush. So starting with this one, tip number 1. Always apply a liner from an inner corner to outer corner and be firm with your grip on pen so that your hand doesn't shiver. Then comes the tip number 2, that is always apply a liner on an open eye instead of closing it. Yes, many people make this mistake of applying the liner on closed eye and then later they don't really like the result. But this way you will definitely love the result because an open eye makes it easier to follow the shape of eye and your liner is perfect. Once you reach the corner of your eye, it's time for a wing. And for that, follow the lower line of your eye and extend it as long as you want your wing to be, and then smoothen the wing by connecting the mid of your wing with the line that you made earlier as shown in the video. And there it is, your perfect winged eyeliner. Process of applying a liquid liner is similar to the first one, so here I'll be sharing few other tips which you should be careful about while applying a liner with a brush, and the foremost thing is product on the brush. You don't need a fuller amount of liquid on the brush because it can create problems and can even get into your eye because you are starting from the inner corner. So make sure you have the enough product, and to make sure that form the hair of your brush with the help of the edge of the bottle, and there you will get enough amount of liquid on the brush. Tip number 2 is maintain the grip by holding the cap of brush and rest your hand on the cheek, and you can even put your pinky finger just below your eye to maintain the grip of your hand and make it comfortable. Tip number 3 is to avoid a mistake that many people make, that is stretching their eye while applying a liner because they feel they will get a good result that way, but stretching the eye can lead to wrinkle the eye area, which obviously nobody wants. So don't stretch your eye, and following the previous steps will obviously give that perfect winged liner that you want. It was this easy. Just setting your grip onto the liner and a little patience would surely help you to gain that perfect winged eyeliner. Yes. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down what you think about these tips and tricks, and share this video with all your liner lover friends to help them to know how they can apply a perfect wing liner. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. I'll meet you next time. Until then, keep smiling, keep shining. Bye.